Want to watch Netflix on Kodi? In this quick video, I'll show you how to install the Netflix Kodi add-on step by step and how to stream securely using NordVPN. Hey everyone! Netflix on Kodi gives you the convenience of streaming your favorite movies and shows directly through Kodi's interface. But here's the thing. Some content might be restricted depending on your location. That's why I recommend using a VPN like NordVPN. Using a VPN like NordVPN not only protects your online privacy, but also helps you bypass geo-restrictions to access all of Netflix's content from anywhere in the world. It's a must-have for a seamless streaming experience. Open Kodi and go to the Settings menu. Click on File Manager and select Add Source. Enter the following repository URL, name it Netflix, and hit OK. Return to the main menu, go to Add-ons, and click Install from zip file. Choose the Netflix repo and install it. Once installed, log in with your Netflix account. And just like that, you're all set. Don't forget to enable NordVPN for secure and smooth streaming. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Kodi tips. And don't forget to grab NordVPN using the link below to unlock the full potential of Netflix on Kodi. See you in the next video.